In this video, I'll show you an amazing free accounting software that you can use for your small business. So let's get started. So I've been using this free accounting software for a couple of years now, and a lot more recently since I've been doing more web design. And this is an amazing free software that's just as good as like any of the big ones like Quickbooks or FreshBooks that charge you a monthly fee. This one's completely free and it pretty much does the exact same stuff. So like you can do, it's basically does all the accounting, you can send invoices, you can track all of your expenses and all your bills. And they also have, they do have some pay services like payroll, and I think you can hire like an accountant to help you with your stuff if you get like huge. But other than that, the only thing that they really charge you for is collecting payments, but you're gonna have to pay that regardless of any service that you pay. And here's looking at the pricing page. Basically you see that everything's free, except if you want to collect payments through your invoices, or if you want to do payroll, which you're gonna have to pay for anyways, depending on what service you choose. But if you're just starting out, it's a great free application that you can use for your business. And here's just a quick comparison between FreshBooks and Quickbooks. You know, 0, it's free forever. $5 to $75 a month, or $15 to $50 a month. You're getting basically the same stuff. So I think the main difference here is that you pay 30 cents per transaction or 25 cents per transaction, and QuickBooks is still 30 cents per transaction, but it's still the 2.9%. So you're going to be paying the same, almost the same with any of these services, except this one's free forever. All right, let's create an account so we can check out the back end and show you how you can start. I'm going to quickly fill out this first part. Right, and right from the start, it'll help you set up your own invoice. That way you can start sending invoices to your clients and start collecting money. So let's check this out. I'll drag over my logo over here, right here. I'll choose a color. That's fine. Looks great. Go here. Here we go. Now we can start setting up our own invoice. You can start adding a customer, say customer 1, their name, last name. Send in an email, fake.com, and it will put their information right there. And let's start with you can start adding your items or your services. So this one would be like web design, service, put the price, you know, my standard price right there. You can put notes at the bottom, and you can also create a footer or a thank you note at the bottom. So after that, you just hit save and continue. Now it'll take you to this invoice page where you can approve the draft of what it looks like. So if you like what it looks like, you can hit approve draft. You can send it through here. Sometimes I just export the PDF, and then it will download to your computer, and you can mark it as sent. That's what I normally do. And then you can also send them, or have the system send them reminders if they haven't paid for it. But for now, we'll just unclick those. You can charge a credit card if they've given you the credit card information right here. Just record a payment. And then this will record a payment into your booking. Other than that, you're ready to go. And here's what the PDF looks like. So they can just click that, and then they can put in their information and pay you right away. Let's take a look at the other features. Let's take a look at the dashboard real quick. So it's pretty simple. Shows you, profit loss, cash flow, payables, and your net income right here. Let's go under sales. You can create estimates. It's basically like the invoices, but mostly just to show an estimates to your clients. You can set up reoccurring invoices. This is really cool. So if you have like a maintenance package like I do, you can add a customer here. Oops, like that. Add, say, a new item, monthly. And then you can say it's $100 a month. Save and continue. And it's pretty easy to set up too. You can just say, repeat this monthly invoice, right? So you can start today, set it up when it will continue, like the next time it will charge them. So let's say, and then you can set to end it or to just keep repeatedly charging them. Do that. It'll request their payment information, but you do have to set up your automatic payments. Here you can also edit your customers. You can edit your products and services. Like these are the ones I already just set up. Under purchases, you could set up bills. So say you have you have a rent or something. You set up rent. $1,000 rent. Building fees. And then you would set the category. See if you just rent expense. Add. And then you can set the dates. Save. Oops. The vendor will be the company. Vendor. I think you can even pay through here as well. So it's all tracked. So then you can record the payment. Say that you paid it. Hit save. So amount due 0 because you already paid it. And in the accounting section, you'll have transactions, chart of accounts, stuff like that, just like normal accounting softwares. You might have to do a little bit more research on what you need to set up for your business, but other than that, it's really simple. For last year's taxes, I just hired a tax guy and turned this over to him, and he was like, "Oh wow, this is simple. This is really easy," and he was able to do my taxes really quickly since I took pretty good records. The other awesome part is you can connect your bank, and then you can see the payouts when you actually get a payment from a customer here. And then obviously you'll have your reports where you can, do your profit and loss, your balance sheets, cash flow, just stuff like that in normal accounting software. And then I think this is where they make their money, is with the Wave advisors. I don't really do that, so don't need it right now, but maybe in the future. The other great part is you can upload your receipts. Say you're tracking your mileage or your expenses, anything that your meals, you can use an app and actually take a picture of the receipt, and it will upload it to Wave, and then you can go in and fill out kind of what it was, and it's a great way to track your receipts, and you don't have to actually have a folder of them. One last thing is that it's really awesome is that you can connect your PayPal, your Shopify if you have like a store or something, or even use Zapier, which lets you connect tons of different other apps to it. I use Stripe to collect payments sometimes, so I'll have to connect Stripe to my Wave account, and it will create accounting transactions through Zapier. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a great free software if you're looking to start your business. I plan to bring on more videos like this or web design tutorials. So if you like any of that, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you soon.